Nissan NV200. This is NV SV, all that gonna be same process. I am going to change the condenser, and I'd like to show you what is the process. Before everything, you have to release the freon from your system. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some tip how to do the process here. First, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here. You have to remove. You have this small connection with flip. Sorry, this is just a normal screwdriver. You have to turn it and open up this and that. Okay, that's a flat. After that, you have to come to the side. You have a screw here. This is a T20. You have to open up, and it's going to side of the bumper. On the bottom of this side, you will have few 10 millimeters. I already removed all those, and the other side, it's gonna be the same thing. So you have to remove all this shelf here and make it free. All right, and then after that you have to pry this to remove it. But before you remove this, you must remove your grill. Okay, in the grill inside you have those connection. I'm gonna show you how to remove those. The tool you need it for this, it's gonna be pick like this, the U shape or the 90 degrees. Okay, so I am going behind the grill, so I'm gonna show you what is going on. So this one you have to pry up and then push it out. That one is removed, and then the second one is here. You have some hand and a space, you can pop it, this one and this one. And I pop these and the last one. Okay, so I remove this, and if you see here on top of the bumper you have few bolts and clips. You have to remove this, and 2 was here on this corner. You must remove these, and this is the clips. You have to push this to remove this. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. You have to actually 6 of them. 2 of this on this side, so you have to remove. Okay, I'm going to open up these clips. They are maybe crunchy, and you have to remove these. So some of them are broken. We have to change these, and I'm going to remove this 2 10 millimeters. Okay, probably almost. My bumper is free to come out. Be careful if there is any wiring or something behind this. You have to remove those. All right, I'm free on this one. All right, I am going to remove this shield here. Again, we have some clips. Those are broken. We have 3 on this side as well. We should actually change all this because they are already broken. So we have one underneath, which is you can probably push here or go to the bottom. I'm not going to remove this one. I just go ahead and take this 10 millimeters out. This one is free. I am going to remove this clips and make this one free for this time, and also this one here we have one fastener on top, and I'm gonna tell you what else need to be removed. Okay, going to that side. And sorry for some noise about the neighborhood. Some of them are working on their yard right now. And okay, so I am going to remove the wiring harness on the horn. So just one thing, there is a pushing tab on the back side. You push this one with one finger, with another finger you just try on it. Okay, like this. And we go to remove this sensor, but this is airbag sensor. If you want to remove this one, I would recommend it first go ahead and remove your battery terminals. Okay, removing the battery terminals, and if you have anything you can touch them together and keep them for 1 or 2 minutes to release the power from the computer or module. This is the sensor cover I'm removing, and this is the clips here. I'm gonna push them together and remove like this. And other clips you have here, 1, 2, and 3, you can push them from the back side, or you can use a kind of screwdriver to push them together and remove those. Okay, the next step, I'm gonna go remove this duct. It normally has 2 fasteners on the side, one here, one this side, and you have a part here you have to remove. I'm gonna put it on the side, and also I'm gonna go ahead and remove this radiator hose for this moment, because I have to remove this upper radiator support. Okay, so for this one we have this board here to be removed. We have 2 12 millimeters on this side and 1 12 millimeters on this side. On the other side it's gonna be the same thing. We have 3 12 millimeters in there, and also from here for the lock we have to remove this cable. Maybe not, I just want to remove this and put it on the side. Let me see what is going on. About this bolt on the passenger side, just be careful because you don't have too much space here. If you can remove your tail light, it's gonna be better. Otherwise you have to use a wrench to remove this slowly, because when you open it up you're gonna be in a stock with this bolt. Okay, My wrench is two ways, and I don't have any problem with this actually. Finally, I decide to remove the tail light. We have all of these are 10 millimeters, 1, 2, 3 on the back side, and this is the fourth one on the front. I removed this one to make it easy. Other side you can remove the tail light too, but I already removed that bolt with no problem. You see, all of them are out. I decided to remove this tail light as well. We have 4 bolts. And the last one is here. Okay, this one is free as well. And I'm going to, you can remove the wiring harness if you want, but I just like to slide it like this until I finish with this. Okay. The last one I'm gonna remove for this upper radiator support is this one. Okay, finally I should remove this latch, and all of them are 12 millimeters. Let me get my extension and remove this. If you want to remove this, I never done this before, but I would like to mark this on the top, and then on top of the bracket to see exactly what should I do next time. And I'm gonna mark on the side to see I put it under line when I am done. Okay, and my hood gonna be okay when I close it. Okay, 3 bolts, they are same. We put this one on the side, but we have this cable again. We have to remove the fastener on the side. They are just pushing. You see, I didn't know the hood gonna fall off because when we remove the support, so it's better for your safety. Before anything else, you hold it with a with something. And I'm gonna put this one there and remove this one. Okay, we put the hood support here, and then why we show you this video, because the safety is very important for everybody, and I didn't know I should think about holding the hood before to remove the upper radiator supports. Okay guys, so I put the hood cable and hinges, the latch on side. So we have this condenser free right now, but before that we have a 10 millimeters 12 millimeters bolt on this side we have to remove, and the bottom we have another one, we have to remove that one too. Okay, it's very bottom. I'm going to remove the 12 millimeters. Okay, so we already removed the gas and freon from the system. We just play with it. Okay, and make sure this is a long bolt. Do not mix it with your other bolt you have. For the bottom pipe, we have to need a long extension. This is 10 millimeters. We put it on that, and So this is the bolt. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, we have another the wiring harness here. I have to remove that one. Okay, my condenser is free, and I have to remove this wiring connection from here. And we are good to go on this one. So if you have the new condenser, you have to open up this sensor and put it on the new one. The reason why we're changing this condenser, I already got a problem with my AC compressor, and I changed the AC compressor, but the process is you have to change all the AC condenser, expansion valve, the valve, the AC valve cores, which is this one, and other one is here, this one. You have to change the valve, and the exception valve is down there. Let me show it to you. Okay, that's the expansion valve you have to change, and after this one I'm gonna go ahead and change that one. So if you have any leaves or anything here, it's good time to clean up those, and you can put some grease around this area or lubricate them to make it good for next time. And then also the process gonna be the same thing, reverse, and you're gonna have everything back together, and you should vacuum the system. Make sure you put some air pressure to your system and wait for 5 to 10 minutes to see the gauge are exactly on the same number or not. And then after that, if you see there is no leaks or nothing, check the leaks and make sure you put everything to the right way. And then another thing, you must change this o-ring and washers if you have anything on it, the bottom, the top, and you will need to change this washer and gasket if there is anything on that one. So the reason why I'm not changing this, I'm gonna make another video. I don't have the part. I already ordered the part. I should have it by tomorrow, and I will give you the second part of this to complete everything. If this is your first time you watching my video, and if you think this video helped your project, please like my videos and subscribe my videos to help our services that we can help you more. Okay, this is B1 Mobile Mechanic, and we are in Georgia. Thank you for watching the first part.